Can my sibling force the sale of my mom's vehicle if I offered to buy out her half? Mom passed away with no will or trust. Everything being split 50-50 between sister and I. Vehicle has no debt, co-owners, beneficiaries. We originally agreed with the attorneys present, I'd buy out her half based on its fair market value from my portion of the estate. In other words, the writer here wants the car, and sister will get the money that he would have gotten, that she would have gotten from the sale of the car. But now he's using his half to buy the half of it. The fiduciary services attorney even emailed me going over the agreement because I misunderstood the process, clarifying she didn't want the vehicle. I would get the vehicle, my portion of the estate, be able to get title signed over. Now, weeks later, she's telling them she never agreed to taking the vehicle. She's only, quote, considering letting me have it. And she's going to let him have it. And she thinks it's best just to sell it instead of me buying out her half. Tried several times to ask for a reason. And she just outright says she refuses to give me a reason. All right. Well, that's because she's being a jerk. Okay. Your sister's being a jerk. I don't know what you did to her, but pissed her off somehow. Maybe she's got sentimental thing with the car. But she's just being a jerk because she's not going to get any more money, and she might actually get less based on the way she's handling this thing. There may be no alternative than just to sell it.